point of view. Does anyone know what point of view is, Logan?
It's like first person, second person, and third person, and it's how the speaker in the story, like how the story is told.
How the story's told. That's good. That's a good definition. Okay, this is a rap, so it's kind of silly, but it tells you more in depth of the first, second, third person. So.
Oh no, this is gonna be weird.
It's fun.
I want to play this one. I think it says Loki. Oh, I was right.
And every narrator has a different point of view. This point of view is yours. Let's go! Everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV. Everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV.
Hey yo, knock knock, who's there? Narrator who wanna tell a story from a point of view? Every story's written in a certain voice. When you're writing, you need to make a choice. First, second, or third person POV. The first person is all about me. Or we, like we climbed the tree. I closed my eyes and I felt the breeze. I might be unreliable if I don't tell the truth. Now let's switch the point of view to you. In the second person, you're in a taxi. You're wondering how you got there exactly. The third person is he or she. He walked down the street and he saw the queen. She was dressed hip like it wasn't a thing. That's the third person. Take it from him. Third person narration could be objective, omniscient, or from a limited perspective. Can the narrator seeing everyone's thoughts? Narrating omnisciently like a boss.
Everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV. Everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV. Alright now, check your notes. Tell me which POV is in each quote. I was born with one.
Okay, so I was born with water on the brain.
First.
First, Alec, why is it first? What's the pronoun?
I.
I, so that gives you a good clue. Alright?
On the brain, that's
Good job.
Father Wolf's face and laugh.
He looked up into Father Wolf's face and laughed. Third.
That's
Good
we
job.
can always live on mango.
Third. First. Yeah, first.
Alright, let's find out.
That's
Good job.
so he closed the eyes and lay quite still.
Third. The second.
What do you think?
Third.
Third. Alright, let's find out.
That's
Third, good job.
feet are now stuck in green slime.
Gross. But anyway,
Second.
yours. Alright.
That's
Good job.
in the hole in the ground there lived a hobbit.
Third.
Third. Is that unanimous?
Actually,
What do you think?
I think it's.
Is Hobbit his name?
I think it might be second.
It'd be
I
a
said-
narrator telling the story.
Yeah, the narrator tells a story, but what do you think it's first, second, or third
I
person?
think it's third.
I think
Alright.
it's second.
Okay.
Like it's third person.
That's
Okay, so it's third. I didn't even know that.
Because it's telling about the person.
Okay, yeah.
it made me so sick I almost fell out of a tree.
First.
First.
How did he get?
Okay, what's the other pronoun?
It. I.
Ah.
Oh,
It made
Me.
me. Talking about ourselves. I.
That's you're thinking this wasn't the way it was supposed to go.
second.
That's my name is Katniss Everything. I'm 17
Yes.
First.
First. Good job.
years old. That's everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV. Everybody wants to know my point of view. First person is me, second person is you. Third person is he, third person is she. Everybody wants to know my POV.
Alright.
That's kind
I
of
wonder how hard that is to make up a song.
I don't know. And one day we can make up our own song.
No,
point of view worksheet, we just went over point of view, and we said that the 3 types were what? Start with what? Okay, Alex.
First person,
Okay, what's the second one?
second person,
Anybody else wanna say the last one? Okay, Logan.
third.
Okay. Everybody has a worksheet?
Alright, we're gonna flip over on the side that says point of view. Where the little girl's at. Alright, so this is pretty much just a review of what we went over. Point of view, it breaks down into first, second, and third. So does anyone want to read the box of first person? Aiden?
First person, one character tells a story. This character reveals only personal thoughts and feelings of what she sees. The writer uses pronouns such as I, me, mine, and mine.
Okay. So it's first person. Franklin?
Second person, the narrator tells a story using the pronoun you. The character is someone similar to you.
Alright. Third person? Anyone? Piper? Hear from you.
Third person, the story is told using pronouns such as he, she, they, or it.
Alright. So you've read chapter 2, and in the first chapter, what happened? What did you find out? What did the first chapter tell us?
About the children.
About the children?
The Hermans.
Right. Alright, so did it change when you went to the second chapter?
Yes.
We talked about it changed because it was telling about the kid who was telling the story.
It was second person to like what you
Because in the first
First person. Sydney's going somewhere. Did everyone hear her? First person? Alright. Where did we find first person in the book?
because all throughout the book,
No, person.
there's one person telling about everything.
Okay.
I am, and he kept saying I.
That's
The
good. Yeah.
second chapter says to make my dad mine.
That's right.
In the first chapter, would it be third person, or second person? Because that girl was telling about the herd.
It's still first person because it's still her perspective.
I don't.
So just like Miss Alexis, give that example of the 3 little pigs.
Okay, we're
listen
gonna
to this.
get more in depth with it in just a few seconds. Flip your page over because we have questions to answer that you all are actually answering ahead of time, but you on the right track. Okay, the first question, it says, who is telling the story? So do we know the person's name?
No, not yet.
Okay, but we do know this person has a sibling. What's the sibling's name?
Charlie.
Okay.
I think it might be a girl. The person telling the story.
Yeah, it is a girl.
Sounds like a girl.
Okay, so what do we put? Charlie's what?
Older sister.
There you
Okay.
Older sibling.
go. Older sibling, that's good. We don't know the name yet. We're just gonna have to go by Charlie's older sister, sibling, brother.
No, don't worry, this chapter. I think I'm finally gonna have to tell you, because I don't think it's in the book anywhere. That's what I didn't like.
What?
Yeah. It's strange, they never tell you, but there's a lot of stories you read, you don't know who the narrator is.
It's funny.
Will you
Is
tell
that
us
funny?
at the end?
I'll tell you later on.
At the end.
Okay, let's come on.
Okay, the second question, who wants to read it? Okay, Carol.
From which point of view is the story told? What is the narrator's perspective?
Okay, Sydney answered that earlier. Okay, so what is it?
First person.
Okay. What's a couple pronouns that they use in the story so we knew that it was first person?
Did you tell me?
I, mine, sister.
Okay, did you all hear that?
She said it's not called.
Okay, Carol, repeat that for me.
I, my, and me.
Those were the pronouns that indicated that we were using first person point of view.
Can anybody give me a sentence from the story that uses some of those pronouns?
Wait, I can't remember one.
I got one.
Which one?
Mother did not expect to have anything to do with the Christmas pageant except to make me and my little brother Charlie in it.
All right, so there we go. That one. What about when she says, about poking, didn't they say, I was poked in the ribs?
Yeah.
Didn't she say that?
More sharp.
Yep, because she has what? Sharp elbows, Franklin?
Yep.
All
Wait,
right.
was it Imogene who had track of those?
Mm-hmm. It was Imogene that had the sharp elbows. Yep.
That's right.
Okay, everybody has that second question right now? First person?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the next question, who wants to read it? Okay, Alex.
How does the narrator's point of view change how the events are being described?
Okay, how are the events being described? Like the person who is telling it, we know is who?
The girl.
Charles' older sister.
Okay, so
Charles.
she is doing this based upon her what?
This was better. Her life with the Hermans.
Okay, or her personal experiences, right? Okay, so we gave an example earlier. We were discussing like the Three Little Pigs. You know, the story with the actual Three Little Pigs telling the story. Then you have the story with the Big Bad Wolf telling the story. And we see the perspectives change. But the Three Little Pigs only told from their perspective how they felt about the wolf. So basically, I was going to tell her name for a minute. Charlie's sister is actually telling her personal experiences with the Hermans. So you can say her personal experiences, what she sees, what she feels, what she hears about the Hermans. Y'all have it?
She's not making them out to be very nice, are they? No.
I mean, no, Charlie
them
said she
pretty
doesn't want that from this.
That's right. So this is all about how her experiences
Yeah.
are with the Herdmans.
So that says, okay, how does the narrator, okay, so let's put this in. How does Charlie's sister change the events of being, how does she affect the events of being described? Does she, how does she paint them? How does she talk about them?
She talks about him in a rude, like.
Alright, that's right. Does she say anything positive at all about the Herdmans? No.
They
Oh,
burned
wait,
out a schoolhouse that was supposed to be burned down.
Wait, well they said, I think they said that the only good thing about them was that they weren't hungry.
That's right. So that question says, how does Charlie's sister change how the events are being described? She's the one that tells us how they,
What is this
What's
question?
going on?
what's going on.
Is this on the page?
Yes, number 3. That's what I just said. I took out the word narrator so you would understand how the sentence works.
Oh.
So it says, how does Charlie's sister make the events described? She could have said they're sweet and nice. We wouldn't be laughing and enjoying the story as much, would we? Okay, so it's the way she describes them that changes the point of view of the story.
Describes them. Yeah.
Okay, the next question. Hey, Franklin.
How does the narrator's point of view influence how the events are described?
Okay, so far, what do we know about the Hermans?
They're very bad kids, they do a lot of bad stuff.
They never get any discipline.
They cause a lot of what?
Trouble. A lot of trouble.
Okay. So what are they?
Troublemakers.
There you go.
There you
So
go.
does she make them seem like troublemakers?
Right.
She doesn't make them seem like good, precious angels who just sit there, and she makes them seem like troublemakers.
Because the way she's explaining them, I think she's doing her job. That's her job.
That's right. She's giving lots of examples.
They burn down.
Okay, the next one. Who wants to read?
How would the story change if a different character was the narrator?
Go back to what I said earlier about the Three Little Pigs. They changed narrators. You have the wolf side of the story, and once we listened to his side of the story, we was like, maybe he wasn't so bad at all. Maybe the Three Little Pigs were, telling a fib or something. Okay,
He said he
so
was going to get sugar for a cake. And
yeah.
eating all. So yeah.
Sounds
Yeah.
pretty suspicious.
It's a kind of way.
But what if the Hermans was telling the story?
They'd be describing themselves as nice.
Okay,
I
so
don't think so.
No, I don't know that they've been saying nice. What else could they say about themselves?
Well, they would be telling them that they smoked and robbed, but they might
They would have a reason probably.
There you
Yeah,
go. That's it.
behind-
A reason behind always mistreating
I just know
everybody.
that sidekick. I gave him.
Hey, Sydney, sort of like the fox. That's the reason he ate the pig, because he sneezed.
It's a wolf.
Wolf, excuse me, Carolyn. Yep, the wolf. All right, let's go on.
Did everybody put down we?
No, I don't know.
What am I supposed to put down?
I just put a yes.
I put
How would the story change if a different character? Do you think it would change the perspective?
oh
What if the cat told the story?
Oh god, that would be that.
Exactly.
What
That cat would be like
yeah.
The cat, the one
cat.
with one short
The
leg.
kids made me attack them.
So it would change because the perspective would change.
Right, but in this case, she has the Hermans as troublemakers. That was the answer for them.
So it would be like, what do I need to write down?
Yeah, I was gonna say we're on the one
Yeah.
before the last one.
So can we do
I
the
think you
answer for? Okay, you have it. Yeah, I'm running behind myself.
How would the story change with a different character? How do you think it would change? Well, how do you think it would change if everybody else told the story?
I got this
Do you think that would be nice? Do you think those people,
Okay,
the narrator would make
yeah,
that
that'll work.
mean? Do you think the Herdmans
I
would
don't
be?
think it would change, but only if the Herdmans are be telling the story.
Okay.
I think they want attention for the.
So we're number 5.
How would the story change? I
Wait.
think if the
I've
Herdmans
been
told it,
putting it down
if the
to five.
Herdmans told it, they would
I've been putting
want
it
attention to their family. All right, so everyone should be on the last one now.
Fix it. Okay, the last question. Who wants to read it? Hey, Logan.
Why do you think the narrator described the events the way she did? I think because kind of like the 3 little pigs, she didn't want to sound like the bad one because she was describing him wrong.
That's
That's
good.
correct.
So she kind of just wants you to know how she's dealing with the Herdmans. It's, you know,
Her
Imogene's
experience,
picking on her.
even her experience with the Herdmans. So that's the reason why she's telling it the way she is, because she's had experience
Because
with
these
the
are her
Herdmans.
experiences. And she's want us as the readers to know her experiences.
That has to be a horrible life. Going
I
to
wouldn't-
school every day with 5, 6 different kids all in the same.
It's not going to affect you to really get out on the playground. Can you imagine all of them out on the playground?
Yeah, I could.
With her trying to slap Alice, I'd be scared.
Trying
Right
to
out there.
trying to get cooties off the first. You don't punch cooties. Hey, look, there's cooties on your hair. I'll fix them. You should bring out the chainsaw.
Alright, so now, since y'all are all good, quiet, we're gonna finish up with this last little video just to kind of recap on point of view.
Oh
And
gosh.
then we'll get to read the next
That
chapter.
President Obama's
Race
birthday.
fans, I'm Seth Stevens.
Commentators.
In just a few moments, the Flights 400 gets underway here at Memorial Speedway. With me, as always, is former champ Emilio De Santis.
Hey, Seth.
Folks, Emilio and I are really excited to unveil a new innovation to our broadcast, the first-person camera.
That's right. We've outfitted several of today's drivers with helmet cameras and microphones. So at any point in the race, we can see what they see and hear what they're saying.
As you folks know, typically I call the play-by-play from up here in the booth. And that's Bobby Bob are attempting to take the lead from Raystone Jr. Can he do it? And coming around the turn, it looks like he has just enough to get by him.
That's some excellent third-person narration, Seth. You can tell by the words he, they, and him. Today, though, we can present a whole new point of view, right from inside the car.
That's right, Emilio, and it looks like the race is about to begin. Let's cut to the first-person camera in Bobby Bondo's 18 car for the start.
Is it hot in here? My stomach doesn't feel so good. I'm so nervous.
Speed goes up and down.
Where do I turn? Somebody help me. Left. That's it. Every turn is a left turn. I can remember that.
Well, you heard Bondo. We're going some furious verbs there on our first-person camera.
You know it's first person because of words like my, I, and me. You see the race right from the driver's point of view.
Pre-race jitters like that pretty common, Emilio?
I'm just glad